Holidaying is the most important leisure activity that you could do to reboot yourself. Jain Farms brings that unique experience to you. A perfect holiday destination for weekend trips. It gives you the luxury of having a farmhouse vacation experience without investing or owning a piece of the farmland. Located just 15 kilometers from Hosur and Sarjapur off Bangalore, this place is just 45 minutes drive from Whitefield. It has 700 plus acres of lush greenery. The farmland is a full-fledged, pure vegetarian resort with all the amenities you need. Take a break from your city life and dwell amidst nature. Plan a day's trip or a complete weekend getaway. Choose from the holiday packages from Jain Farms. Book your stay for the upcoming weekend today. Log on to www.jainfarms.com.